In this video, I'll be showing you how to use the VN Video Editor, which is a free mobile video editor. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, if you don't have it downloaded, go ahead and download it from the Google Play Store or your App Store on iPhone, and then just go ahead and open it up. It's going to look something like this, and just give it full access to your camera roll, and then you can have notifications on or off if you want. The cool thing is there's going to be a bunch of different templates if you're going for something specific like a winter look, a certain lighting style, or like if you want to use an AI template as well. So we're just going to go ahead and press new project like so. Then you can have a video based project or a music based project where you can pick music first and edit to match. Beats and musical moments help to form your video flow. So then we can just press save right here, select any sort of music we want. So we can just do pop, we can do a song like this, and then we're just going to press use right here. Now it shows you literally everything you could do. So you can drag with your fingers to easily move around and zoom in and out on the timeline. You can have convenient sorting. So it says swipe up and down to delete the clip, long press clips to drag and swap and sort, which I think is really cool. It's a nice feature. There's also precision cutting, where it says quick and precise cutting of clip duration. So the precision is really key, especially when you're cutting with music or anything like that. It also says you can crop the picture and adjust the background of the picture as well. There's honestly so many different tools that you can use, like special transitions, rich filters, and honestly like fonts as well, music beats, and so much more. So you can press view more on the top right as well if you want to go through everything. But yeah, there is definitely a lot to go through. It's really cool. And so if I want to import something, I can just press the little plus icon. I can import photo elements or anything like that. And yeah, it's honestly really cool. Now, if you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe.